Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unstuffing from my wallet, well, actually all my envelopes. So I have a little list over here of things that I need to take back to the bank because I did either like online purchases or used my card to purchase for some of these items. So I need to take that back to the bank because I use my debit card to pay for that stuff and then just put it back where it belongs. And then I am going to be putting a placeholder in one of my envelopes because I've already reached 500, and I believe my auto repair envelope, so that's going to be going back to the bank too, which I'm actually going to start off with this first, so that way I can get some change over here. So let me go over here. Auto repair, which is right here, and I have 500 in here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 470, 490, 500. So again, this is going to go back to the bank, and then I'm going to use this money also to condense some envelopes too, which would be nice. And then I'm going to put this $500 placeholder in here. That just lets me know I have 500 in the bank. Okay, so that, oh, actually, that not fit. Okay, there it goes. All right, so that one is all good. And now I have this change over here to work with. All right, so I'm gonna first start off with the items I'm unstuffing. The first one, it's rainy day. I don't know if you can tell, but I am a little congested. I've been sick. So I did take a couple days off from work, and I did buy some things to make myself feel a little bit better because I'm not feeling well. Okay, so here's rainy day. I'm just gonna take the full amount. I have 35 in here, and take that back to the bank. I went and got myself some like pho, which that stuff always makes me feel better. And then I still have some leftovers. I'm gonna eat some after I film this video. And then, yeah, I'm gonna take this back to the bank. So I have 20, 30, 35. That's going back to the bank. Actually, I'm gonna push these back a little bit. Okay, so that's rainy day, and I'm gonna zero this out. Oops. So if I make mistakes, I'm sorry, but my head is a little bit out. it's not 100% right now, which I'm sure you all understand. Okay, and then next I have, let me see what's in here. Oh, I have gas for road trip. So road trip. Okay, so I'm gonna take 35 out of here, which I don't have exact. So I'm gonna get a 40 and then give myself 5 back. So now I'm left with 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 in road trip. Minus 35. I'm left with 13. Okay, so that's road trip. Okay, that one's done. And then next I have fanny pack. So I bought myself a really cute new fanny pack. This is like a Disney themed one. It's Halloween themed, actually. Halloween Disney themed fanny pack. So usually when I go to Disney, I like having a fanny is nice. Also like a backpack or something, but it's nice to have that like around, like in your front, on your front area, so that way it's just easy to grab things. And this one is a Halloween themed one, so which is perfect because Halloween, like the decor and all that stuff is going to be put out, I think towards the end of next month. It's coming out soon, so Halloween is, I think they're pushing Halloween up a little bit to celebrate. So that cost me $50. I did a pre-order, and I will be getting it, I think, end of August. So I should have it in time. But I'm gonna take this 60, give myself back 20 and change. Okay, and then I will update the tracker. So I minus 50. So that's 415 I should have here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 400, 10, 15. 415, which is correct. Okay, so that one's good to go. Okay, and I think The other ones are in other envelopes or another binder. So let me go into actually my wallet because that's next, which I need to grab coffee, which I actually put in the pocket. So I'm just gonna grab this 20 here. So that's the coffee money for the week so far, or then I need to take back to the bank. So that's 20. Okay, that's going back. And then next is home and beauty. So that's in here. Beauty, I got some nail stuff. So I'm gonna do, 25 from here, which I have 25, perfect. Okay, so let me update this one. Minus 25, so I'm left with 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Put this over here, perfect. And then next, wait, let me check this off. This one. And then next I have home. Okay, see, I have home, so go to home. Just here. I bought some new, I bought like a colander, like strainer thing for the kitchen. That's cool. It has like attachments for shredding, which I think will be really nice because it like falls right into the bowl. So, and then I think right now there's some Prime deals happening. So it was on sale. It was like 20 plus tax. So that was 23, which I don't have change for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in here. Like, how much change do I need? I think I need more than that. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. So I have some dollars in here. I have enough. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, don't. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully this will be enough. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, put this back. All right, so I need 23. So yeah, that should be enough. So I'm gonna do, bear with me, because again, I have to do 30, right? And then give myself 7 back, that's correct. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I'm left with 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So I took away 23 and I have 37, 7, 3. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, perfect. All right, so, oops. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. It's just, you know, the tail end of it, and definitely staying home for 2 days helped. It wasn't my plan to do that, but it was very, very much needed. I tried to go back to work today, actually, but when I was getting ready, I was like, oh, no, I'm not ready to go back. Like, I was like, yeah, I feel good. And then when I'm like getting ready, it just starts like hitting me again, like, nope, you're still sick. You need to go back to bed. So I was like, yep, I have to go back to bed. But I'm feeling a lot better now. I'm just happy I have the energy to like actually want to film a video, because yesterday I was just like, no, there's no way. I just stayed in bed the whole day. Okay, so that's everything. Actually, I need to calculate my total, make sure I have that over here. I'm gonna have the 500, of course, for what I'm taking back to the bank. And this 500 is going into my savings. It just sits in there until I need to use it, which is soon. I'll be using that money soon. Let me calculate how much I should have here, because this is all going back into my checking account, because I already spent from it. Plus 35, 50, 20, 23, and 25. Oh, wait, let me do that again. 35, 50, 20, 23, and 25. I had a feeling I did that wrong. Okay, so 188 plus the 500. So I should have 688 over here. Let me count, make sure. And then I'm gonna move on to condensing a little bit, because I have these hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 400. 450. Okay, I'm gonna do 450. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Because those 50s always trip me up. 10s, 10, 20, 30. 5, 6, 7, 8. 688. Perfect. All right, cool. So now that that is good, I'm just going to condense some envelopes that I have. Let's see. Well, obviously I can do auto repair because that one has a placeholder, but I can do Christmas. This one's almost a 500 too, so that's good. It's 100, and then I could do 20. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 400, 450, 470. And Christmas. Electronics has 532, so I could do a 20. Oh, and a 10. So that's 20, 30, 1, 2, and that's 32 in cash, and I have 500 in the bank. I have a placeholder in here. Emergency. I think I can do something here. Okay. So I have 20, 40, 60, so I could do a 50 and a 10. Oh, I could do 100 also here. Okay, so I have 1, 200, 250, 260, 265. An emergency. And that's in cash. I have 2,000 already in the bank. Okay, extra debt has 70. So I could do a 50 and a 10. 50 and a 10. And that leaves me, oh, actually a 20. So 70 in extra debt. Next is furniture. So I could do a 10. That's 150, 170, 180. Rainy day has nothing. That one's good. Road trip. I could do a 10. 10, 11, 12, 13 for road trip. Scentsy. I could do a 10 here. So 50, 70, 80, 81 in Scentsy. Subscriptions. That one's actually good. Treat yourself. That one's good. All right, cool. So that one is condensed as much as I can. Next, I'll go into, actually I'm going to savings. See if there's anything in here. This one has, that one's good. That one's 30. July savings. Okay, I can do a 20. Oh, actually 20, 30, 40, 50. I can do 50. 20, 30, 40, 50. And then July, 20, 30, 35, 40. So I could do a 20 here. This is a new challenge I just started. Oh, that only has 5, so that one's good. And then this one, maybe a little bit here. Okay, I could do a 20. Okay, so that's 43. And then the dollar, I could do 20. And that's it. Okay, and then this one's a star note one, so I'm not gonna switch out any of those bills because those are like special star ones. That one's good. And I have one more. All right, beauty has 14, so that one's good. Clothing, oops, has 15, so I think, yeah, that one's good. Content has 24. So I could do 20. 21, 2, 3, 4. Costco. I can do a 20. I could do a 50, but I'm not gonna do, I'm gonna keep the lower bills. And then 10, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2. 52 for Costco. Disney, 20. So that's 22 in Disney. Family has 20. Fun has 20. Gifts has 20. Hobbies, 56. Do I want to switch this? 56. I'm gonna leave it this way. That one's good. Home decor. That one's good too. Household. It's good. And Target. I actually could do 50 on this one. Okay. 20, 40, 50. Okay, so I have 50, 75, 76, 77. All right, cool. That is it. All right, so let me just double check, make sure I have 688 over here, that I didn't mess that up. Hopefully I'm all good. Okay, so I got the calculator. I have 200, 250, so 250, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, plus 170, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Okay, and then 3. 688, perfect. All right, so like I said, 500 of this is gonna just go back into, is gonna go into savings. That's for my auto repair sinking fund. So once I use that, I will deduct from there for auto repair, which will be soon. I need to get my oil change soon. And then all of this 188 is just going back into my checking account since I already spent this money. It's just going back to where, yeah, where it's supposed to go, into checking. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I unstuffed my my envelopes this week. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.